Welcome to the instructions video for the WaveSpeed Interactive Calculator. This tool helps you calculate how fast waves travel by using the relationship between frequency and wavelength. Whether you're working with sound waves, light waves, or any other wave type, this calculator gives you instant results. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter two values. First, input the frequency of your wave in hertz. For our example, let's enter 440 Hz, which is the standard musical pitch A. Next, enter the wavelength in meters. We'll use 0.78 meters for this example. The calculator uses the fundamental wave equation, where wave speed equals frequency multiplied by wavelength. Once you click Calculate, you'll see the wave speed result displayed. In our example, this gives us approximately 343 meters per second, which matches the speed of sound in air at room temperature. The calculator works for any type of wave, from ocean waves to radio frequencies. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.